Hi, welcome to HardReset.info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Nokia C21 Plus device, and now I'm gonna show you how to restore removed, deleted files, deleted photos and videos from recycle bin. Okay, firstly open your gallery application. Okay, firstly I need to remove photos from my device, so click remove, allow, and great. Now if you want to restore your photos and videos from the bin, open folders, and here you will have bin button. Click restore, select the photos and videos to restore, and click restore, allow, and great. Of course, you need to remember that after removing the photos or video from your device, these photos and videos will be moved to bin folder, but these photos and videos will be here only during 30 days. After this time, your photos and videos will be temporarily removed from your system. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Give me a like, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.